me about yourself.
Hello, my name is Nabila Fitriana Najwati, and I'm proactive fresh graduate with a strong interest in coffee culture. I'm known for being a fast learner and a people person who enjoys making others feel welcome.
Why do you want this job?
I want to start my professional career in a place that values quality and customer experience. I believe this cafe is the perfect environment for me to develop my skills as a barista.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is my ability to stay calm and organized under pressure. My weakness is my lack of professional experience, but I make up for it by being highly coachable and hardworking.
What experience do you have?
Well, I'm a fresh graduate. I have experience in cafe, teaching, even in my campus. This experience taught me how to communicate effectively and work efficiently in a team.
Why are you suitable for this position?
I am highly disciplined and I have a genuine passion for hospitality. I'm ready to put in the work to master the equipment and provide the best service to your customers.
Tell me about an event when you work or study in a team.
In a campus project, we had a tight deadline. I took the role of coordinator to ensure everyone finished their tasks on time, and we successfully achieved an A grade.
What work you do when you work in a rural area?
I would adapt by learning the local preference and building a friendly rapport with the residents to make the cafe a comfortable community.
What are the responsibilities of this job?
As a barista, I understand my responsibilities include crafting high-quality beverages, maintaining a clean and organized workspace, and providing excellent customer service, and I am also prepared to handle the cash register and assist with inventory management as needed.
What skills are required?
I believe this role requires a mix of technical skill, like espresso extraction and mixing, and soft skills such as effective communication, time management, and the ability to work well under pressure during peak hours.
How is the working environment?
I'm looking for a fast-paced and collaborative environment. I enjoy working in a team where everyone supports each other to ensure every customer has a positive experience, especially during the morning rush.
Are there opportunities for development?
As a fresh graduate, I am very eager to grow. I am looking for a place where I can share my sensory skill, read advanced latte art, and perhaps eventually understand more about the roasting process or shop management.